Hey, what's up guys? So today we're putting a bypass filter on a 6.0 powerstroke here. We're going with One World filters made by Insane Diesel, right there. And they claim that they can filter as small as 1 micron. So we're gonna find out if it's true. I set an oil sample out on my truck at 4,000 miles exactly with the oil, and then I drained it, and now I'm installing this kit, and then I'm going to do it again and see what it looks like at 4,000 miles again using the same oil. So they use this filter element, kind of interesting looking. It's not quite like your traditional ones. So they do got some pretty hot claims, and I'm going to find out if they're true. That being said, so Insane Diesel, they give you, they're pretty universal kits. You know, you just got your in and your out. They give you a little frame mount bracket here. And if you get certain applications, like they do make an application for the 6.0 powerstroke, but it mounts right here. And it comes out of, so I'm going to be drawing from my oil cap here, which I'm going to replace that with a different one. And it's going to go into my filter, and then it's going to drain back in right here. So with these trucks, this is in the way. And I like that, so I'm not going to take it off. So I am building my own mount to put it right here. So I did kind of have to push my AC line up and out of the way a little bit. Wasn't too big of a deal. And I built my own bracket here. And another thing I'm going to try is I'm going to try to add this in here. It's going to slip in right down here, like that. And I'm actually going to run through my filter bypass kit into here, and then back out of this oil cooler and into the engine. So really what I'm hoping to achieve with this is to drop my oil temperatures a few degrees. Hopefully, I'm hoping for at least 5 or 6 degrees. Mostly is just a backup because these 6.0s have such a tendency to fail on the oil cooler side of things, or they tend to plug up. So something to just kind of help it and try to keep my temperatures a little closer together as far as my antifreeze and my oil temps. So this is what it is. It actually is a Ford part. That's the part number. I actually just picked it off of a van in a junkyard, and it looked good, so we're gonna roll with it. Anyway, so I'll keep you guys up to date on how this kit turns out and what my results end up looking like. Hey guys, what's up? So we're back with the 6.0, and this is where we're at. So this is my oil cooler. It didn't quite fit in between here like I wanted it to. So I ended up mounting it out to the side. Wasn't really too difficult. And yes, I know my AC condenser needs replaced. It's in terrible shape. Anyway, so we got our lines. They run into here, and then we don't have our caps yet. I'm still waiting for them to show up. So that one there is going to plug in here, and this one here is going to go right there. And so yeah, so the oil is going to come out of there, that cap there, through this line, into the filter, out of the filter, in the cooler, and out of the cooler, back through this line here, obviously, into there. So that's what we got so far.